everybody, welcome back. I've got something special for you today. This isn't just any home. It is a fully remodeled, expanded historic gem smack in the middle of Coronado. We're talking 4 bedrooms, 2 bath with over 1,800 square feet plus 900 square feet of added living space. Think modern comfort meets vintage charm. With a front and backyard that's basically your dream entertainment space. If you want that perfect balance of character and style and location, you just found it. Let's take a look. Location, you're in Coronado, a neighborhood that's close enough to Uptown, Roosevelt Row, and local spots that still drip with neighborhood charm. You get walkability parks, tree-lined streets, and a front row seat to mid-century architecture. Want a Sunday farmers market, local cafes, or an evening show? It's all right outside your door. If you're looking for a turnkey home with charm, history, and real space in Central Phoenix, this is your sign. Call or text me at 480-710-7696 or slide into my DMs on Instagram at briannanicole.azrealtor.